Hello.
Couples who dive together stay together.
That's right.
Cheeseburger?
Okay, let me check. Oh, they're all pies. Look, it's all full of pies. Would you like a pie?
Oh, pie! I love pie.
Look, you could pull so many pranks on people and smash pies in their faces. It's all pecan. Yeah, people might get allergic.
I gotta have a look at these pies. Look at that! And they were frozen, so these pies are fun.
Ooh, are we having pie for dinner?
I think we should.
I don't think we can eat that much pie though.
Should I just take one?
Let's just take
I
one.
could freeze one for later.
Okay. Ugh. Look at this huge Duracell display. But it's buried in pie! That was fun.
I kind of just want one more pie because I can serve it at my party.
Okay.
Perfectly fine pie.
Yeah, it doesn't expire until 2023. What the heck? Aren't they supposed to give this stuff away? How many did you get?
3 pies.
How many could you have gotten?
A whole box.
Wow.
They had a box of 12, I believe.
You didn't want the pecan?
No.
No. Okay. Cut. Cardboard? Does it make you bored?
You gotta work on your jokes. We might have to hire a writer for you.
Joke writer?
Oh, they locked it.
No, they didn't. Oh.
It's like,
I think that's like somebody's lunch. I need to wear gloves. Why aren't I wearing gloves?
you're full.
Look, it's a dumpster lid in a dumpster. There's so much irony.
Oh.
And it's a copper pipe, I think. Oh. Oh, it's like the dumpster lid thing.
Is that copper?
No, we'll take it. It's steel. We'll scrap it.
They threw away the dumpster.
I'm gonna just check these ones.
What do we have here? Right,
No,
huh?
yeah. What's in here? What's in the
What do
dumpster?
we have here?
Oh my goodness.
We have a failure to communicate.
What are we trying to communicate about? That place. What's that bag? But usually Five Below, you want to look for a small bag that's heavy, and that'll usually have all the returns in it, but not seeing it today. What do we find?
Nothing.
Yeah.
May I have a hamburger with small fries?
What do you want?
A hamburger with a small fries?
I don't think we want that. That's gross. So just don't dumpster dive when you see a grease trap, because it's just a restaurant dumpster and it's gonna be gross. What?
They know. You've covered it.
I gotta give the knowledge. Gotta spread the word. Spread the gospel. The dumpster gospel. Here, you wanna wear the hat?
Hi.
I don't know if the angle's good. Broken glass.
It's a whole lot of nothing. Come on out of there.
Oh, they're broken. Yeah, lots of broken glass. Make sure you use gloves.
Yeah, like your wife did?
Yeah, that one's not broken.
Yeah, that one's fine.
These are the types of dumpsters we like.
Maybe they're filled with pie. You don't know. You have to look.
In the snow.
Winter dumpstering.
I think this is Joann's.
Oh, it's always something good.
Oh, and Yankee Candle.
Oh my gosh, look.
Ooh.
Craft stuff.
Oh, want me to just get the whole box?
Yeah, can you?
Yeah. We gotta show what's in here. The people want to see.
Oh, there's a pumpkin and everything. Look at that, a white pumpkin.
And like a wreath guy.
So you could use these for winter craft projects.
Oh yeah.
You could. This is like a Halloween type guy.
There's coffee down. What is this?
Honey, you threw it in the water.
Oh.
You gotta be more careful.
All right, we'll do a unpacking.
Oh, there's a llama. Oh my gosh. He didn't want to be in there.
No, he's got
a broken leg, but we can fix it. We've got glue at home.
Oh man.
For people that are hard to shop for, just look in the dumpster and you might get inspired. We could go back and get more pie.
There's more stuff in that dumpster. Oh, it's like shadow boxes. Do we know anybody who's been to Paris?
Bonjour. I'm sure
Well,
someone has.
it's just a frame. Like we could put anything in there.
We'll just take them because I'm always looking to frame artwork that
Yeah.
I do.
Welcome. That was not worth the trouble, but it's metal. Okay. Successful. Going in. Ooh. This is the base of a chair. We can scrap that. Ooh. Oh, honey.
There's the chair.
Yeah.
Oh, my new office chair.
All right.
So we sell for like $100, a couple $100. All the parts. Yeah. This is great.
Yeah.
It's leather.
So yeah, somebody tried to put it together already. Yeah, I think we can make it work.
I think those are just pre-drilled.
Yeah, you could just rest it on the edge if you want me to get it. Honey's strong. She got it. She got it.
Can't wait for my nice blueberry pie. Oh boy. There. Well, it could go a little bit longer, I think.
Dumpster pie. We find.
So we found these nice kind of Christmas planter type boxes that would make a good gift to somebody who wants to do like a outdoor display. We found an office chair that we'll probably put together in a different episode and show you guys what that looks like. And then we found these really nice kind of window boxes that were still in packaging with bubble wrap. So these are really nice. We might put some photos, and we found 2 of these, so we might give them away as gifts to family. Just do like pictures, family pictures, and that sort of stuff. So
Yeah.
and some other stuff that we thought kids might like. So pretty successful. If you're looking for like last minute gift idea, consider dumpster diving because you won't have to think of anything. You can just take whatever you find.
All right.